Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So to unpair this watch from the iPhone, first you will need to open the Apex Move application on your iPhone that is paired with your watch. So tap on the icon to open the app. In the application, tap on the My icon to open My page, and here you will see list of My devices, and on it there should be your Tank T3 Ultra 2. Tap on it. Here scroll down, tap on Unpair, and then tap on Unpair again. This message basically tells you to go to the Bluetooth settings and remove the watch from there, but we're just gonna tap on Unpair for now. Close this. Or let's tap on confirm, I guess. Yeah, confirm. It will remove the watch from the app. And now we can open the settings, Bluetooth. And here you will see the Tank T3 Ultra 2 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. Okay, and now if you go to the watch, you can open the quick panel and you will see that the icon of the phone is crossed out and it's gray, which means that the watch is disconnected from my phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.